I used to go to his coaching classes. There was this sir, he was very interesting. He always used to emphasize what sir exactly told us, that we have to focus on our soft skills a lot, because my soft skills, the way I present myself is going to get me ahead. My technical skills are like very secondary.
Right.
I can acquire those technical skills anytime around. But my own soft skills are going to take me a lot further. So so this he took me to this program. He told me that I should enroll for this program. It was same kind of program, but it was kind of a course. I went there. I never used to know English, and I was very 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 poor in English. Although I used to belong, I hail from an English medium school. I never spoke English. I never had a problem how to speak English. I understood the grammar, but the only problem where I faced was how to form the sentence, how to exactly present myself. That was the biggest problem. But what happened eventually, that those 30 hours courses changed my life. Definitely did change my life. And after that, there was this event in our house. There was this girl. Her name was Gwen Stephanie. So she came from Chicago, and she was a foreign exchange student. Obviously, she was hot. She was sitting. I saw, because it was personally for the first time I saw a foreigner at my home. So I went there. It was in Pune. It was a Ganesh Utsav festival. Obviously, I was very excited. I went there and I started talking, and I realized that, oh my God, I'm not even scared right now to talk to her in English. So it was very relaxing, and for the first time I realized that yes, I can present myself in front of her. If I can do it in front of her, I can definitely do it in front of interviewer. So gradually, when everything went by, people started telling, I started getting up whenever people told me, oh my God, sir, whenever sir is asking any kind of questions, or if sir is asking anyone, does anyone want to take any initiative, I started putting a step forward. I was like, yes, I want to do that, because I started getting excited, because that fear, that nervousness, once it goes away, I can guarantee you are like a predator.
Wow, fantastic.
You become like a predator. You see an opportunity, you grab it, you snatch it, and you eat it. That's how I went from being there to till here. And I definitely learned a lot of new things from this seminar too, because till now I always used to figure out, when someone will ask me, if someone asks me, if they will ask me, tell us about you, tell me about yourself. I was always confused. What should I answer exactly? Should I be answering my interpersonal skill, like I'm very ambitious, I'm very this and that I can speak very well, or I'm very good this and that? Should I answer things about me, or my curriculum, or about my career and my achievements? I was always confused about this thing. I asked a lot of people, a lot of professionals, my teachers and other people in grad school, and they all told me different answers. But I think today, right now, I have finally found that answer to that question. Yes, I should be answering about my career, not about things I love. If interviewer is asking me, tell me about yourself. I'm Vipul, I'm from this and that college, and I love playing games. No, that's not what you answer. You answer very properly, because that in those 15 seconds, those 20 minutes can change your life.
Yeah.
So that's what I learned from this. And that is not just it. I learned a lot of new things from it, and like nervousness. I am nervous. I get nervous. Some people who think that people who don't get nervous are actually has certain that they have some problem in you. If you don't get nervous, yes, you should be nervous, because nervousness and fear drives men.
Yeah.
It drives you, because if you are not afraid of death, you don't have anything to inspire. If you are afraid of something, it will actually make you do things which are very impossible. So that's what I would like to conclude this whole thing.
Wow, superb. Thank you. Thanks, dear. Anyone else? Anybody?
We would just sit boringly, and we'll just yawn and listen to him, and we'll say, okay, so it was nice, and we'll just live. But since the seminar is over, right now I think it was a very nice seminar, and it was not just like we got something new to learn, it was something like we implement it out somewhere in like in future we can give some interview or somewhere we can apply this whole stuff. And I don't think we can remember the whole thing,
Yeah.
but at least a notes we can remember a little bit stuff which he said. And exactly this fear thing, it comes in everybody. Right now I'm shivering like what to say, I'm not getting it out what to say, but yeah, it will come out when we face something.
Correct.
As and when we face it. Like I had my first interview for my first job. It was a tuition center.
Okay.
I used to teach for 10 students.
Okay.
And the first interview was like, I was like, ma'am, क्या करूँ मैं? She was like, just take a maths sum.
Yeah.
उनको समझ में आया था, I'll get you it. And I was like, ma'am, मैं physics पढ़ाती हूँ, maths कहाँ से लूँ? She was like, maths teacher अभी है नहीं. So just, I took 5 minutes literally. I took a normal algebraic sum. I prepared it out and I said कि ऐसा ऐसा है, this is your sum, this is the thing. They were like, हाँ okay दीदी, we are okay with you.
Wow.
And I was kind of shivering कि this is my first interview, how should I face it? So after that I got to know कि you should overcome your fears, you should do what you can't do.
Right.
And that would make you feel comfortable. Right now I'm comfortable.
Oh wow.
Better than the starting time.
Yeah.
So do what you can't do. That's what makes you a stuff which is a different, which is a next level of yours.
Right. Yeah.
So-
Can you start?
Thank
See,
you.
actually, no. What you just now tried to tell, what's your name?
Akshara.
Akshara. Okay, so Akshara told us beautifully that you need to explore your courageous zone.
Yeah.
And that is what I take a session on branding, guys, for corporate employees, and that I specifically tell because there are a lot of people that have become redundant now. Okay, मैं 15 साल काम कर रहा हूँ एक ही जॉब में और मेरे को पता नहीं अभी मैं आगे क्या करूँ. Okay, that kind of feeling comes when you are there at airport. Probably you might ask your father, your mother, or anyone who is there into job. You can tell them that how I can brand myself. उसमें एक ही मैं आपको एक टिप दूंगा. Always have 60% done in your comfort zone and do things which are 40% in your courageous zone. So as you rightly mentioned that you were not knowing how to solve the physics example. Okay, so you tried to do it and you actually got it that okay fine, I can also teach physics. That is what I am trying to recreate. Okay, so you attempted it and that is something which I always say that she created the first success story for herself. So guys, all of a sudden it is not like wow, Eureka, I have got an offer in Capgemini. It is with this small thing with Akshara is sharing that will actually build her. And please give this feedback Akshara when you are going in an interview. Because this is a beautiful example. If you are telling that yes, I can overcome my apprehension, this is a beautiful example. So quote it. Fantastic. Thank you very much. So, yeah, ma'am, so your last closing.
Program, it was a fantastic program. My students sat for more than 2 hours.
Yeah.
It's a great thing for us.
Yeah.
Like for 1 hour they are starting, after 45 minutes, they
Yeah.
are starting movements and they want to wind up the lecture.
Right.
But for more than 2 hours, they are sitting here.
Right.
And that is nothing but the receipt of the session which you have conducted.
Thank you, ma'am.
And I am sure that 2 things which you have told them to create their CVs as well as create their account on LinkedIn.
Yeah.
They'll definitely create the account and through that they'll communicate you.
Sure.
We want you continuously to be in association with Sibaka to guide our students to share your experience and make them sufficient or professional to get job in the good companies.
Fantastic.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.